We have 6 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 5 on the top, and on the bottom we have 10 minus 1. To start this, I can do these two steps together in one step because they're separated by this fraction bar. So 6 plus 6 is going to give me the 12. 10 minus 1 is the 9. And then I just copied the divide by 3 plus 5. Next, let's do the 12 divided by 3. And we get 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 5 divided by 9. Simplifying that, we get 9 over 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. But that is not a correct answer because we didn't follow the order of operations. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, but in order from left to right, how you see them in the problem. And that's also the same for addition and subtraction. You do multiplying and dividing first, and then you do adding and subtracting in order from left to right. So let's do it again. This time we'll follow order of operations. There's the problem again. But now, instead of starting with the 6 plus 6, we have to start with the 6 divided by 3. I can also still do the 10 minus 1. So I end up with 6 plus 2 plus 5 divided by 9. I'm just going to add all three of those together at one time. I get 13 over 9. That is not a satisfying answer, but that is the correct answer. One is prettier, but this one is accurate. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.